Hey there, today I have this tactical flashlight sent over from the team at NICRON. This is a nice, small, compact flashlight that's going to be super easy to carry around. If you look here, you can see that it's really small. It's about the size of my index finger in length. This is rechargeable via USB, and the battery that's in it can actually be changed out for a larger size battery, and it comes with this extension piece. So the larger battery will fit into the flashlight, and it's still pretty compact even when it's connected to the larger extension. It has two simple buttons on it, the power button and the button for adjusting the brightness of the beam, and it also has a strobe feature if needed. There's a magnet on the back for attaching to metal objects, and it has this clip here that's perfect for putting on your belt or on your cap like I have it here. I like how compact it is. The light is super bright, and it even has IPX67 waterproofness to give it a little bit of added resistance against things like rain. If you are looking for a new flashlight that's easy to carry with you wherever you go, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.